And welcome back to another video. Just had a parcel through from Radio World. Yeah, another project. I'll show you in a moment. I'll get it undone and I'll show you what I'm up to. Right, and we're back. Is that shot okay? Yeah, it is. Yeah, so yeah, I've treated myself, and like I said, I got this parcel from Radio World. I'm not affiliated to Radio World in any way. I just got these speakers off them, and the speakers are BHI speakers. The one on the right, that's got the DSP unit in. The one on the left is just a 10-watt speaker, but yeah, it's got the woofer and tweeter in it, so basically bass and treble. Very heavy piece of a speaker, quite a decent weight to them, not too heavy obviously. It comes with a mounting bracket, so if you want to put it on the wall or hang it somewhere on the shack, and obviously feet for the stand if you're going to actually put it in line with the radio. This speaker, I'm going to pair it up with a BHI online noise eliminator. So it's an inline eliminator, which I've had for years. BHI, it's a British company, and I do like their products. It makes everything sound a lot better, even if you've got an expensive radio. And these speakers are going to do the job. In the respect of, like I said, this is a 10-watt speaker, so the power that's coming from the noise eliminator will drive this a lot more, and I'll be able to get more sound out of it. You're probably wondering why I've gone this route, because I've got normal speakers and I've had speakers wired up to my computer, etc, etc. But when I'm doing a video on the 101, the speaker's on the top shelf. So I'm going to move the shack around and try and make the audio a bit better when I'm videoing. I don't go through OBS, I just do it off my phone or off a little mini camera I've got. So yeah, I'm not an expert at doing the videos. So this is why I've got these speakers. And also for my listening pleasure. As well as working the radio, I do a lot of listening. So this speaker is £50. Why you'd want to get a matching speaker for your radio? We all buy the boxes, oh, I've got the line up, etc. But it's a far superior speaker in my opinion. I've actually heard these before, but this is just the unveiling of it, and when I put it in line you'll be able to hear yourself how good these speakers are. And this one here is the BHI DSP unit. So this has got a powered unit on it for DSP. The bottom socket excuse me, is for headphones. The next button up, which you can tune, which I'll show you in a later video, that's for your DSP, and the top button is for volume control. And exactly the same thing on the back. You've got the wall mounted bracket, or like I said, you can stand it. I'll be standing these on the table. So this one comes with the power lead and the speaker lead and various jack plugs. So this is the power lead. And this is the lead for this one, the extension speaker. The extension speaker SP25. Like I said, I'm going to be pairing it up with this BHI linear in line. So they'll both be powered speakers. Both 8 ohms to run off the radio, and like I said, I'm not affiliated to BHI, but they do make some great products, and obviously they're aiming this at the amateur market with the noise suppression stuff. but also these would work great on a computer, like this one here. Great on a computer, great on for a stereo, etc. Just a nice little radio. Like I said, £50 for one of these. Why would you buy a normal speaker for your radio when you can get something like this? Because this is going to sound good just with the power from the radio, and it's going to sound extra boosty when I put this inline module to it. So yeah, that's the next project. I keep giving myself projects, don't I? So what I'll do, I'll send 7.3 for now, and we'll catch up with you again. I'm going to be moving the shack around, and I'm actually going to make another baby shack next to my settee, because I'm too lazy to get up and talk to the lads, the local lads, when they're shouting on 2 meters, or sometimes 10. If G0UNJ is listening, yeah, he always says quash tang, the handles, you know, for people listening on the radio. He always takes the mickey. But yeah, I do listen a lot. I do. It's part of the hobby. Okay, waffling again. 7.3 for now. G0 DTX.